This is Hannah and Nayana reporting from the 3rd grade news team.
Here at the news station, we just revised some breaking weather news. Weather models show that there is a thunderstorm heading our direction. With this type of storm, you can expect heavy rain, thunder and lightning, strong winds. A thunderstorm can turn into a tornado.
It is important to prepare for this storm because you can stay safe. Make sure your windows are closed. Make sure all your doors are closed. Did you
know that thunderstorms with very strong have very strong winds?
Also, thunderstorms and thunder and lightning is loud. With proper preparations, we will be able to
weather this harsh storm.
Continue to check in with us here at the 3rd grade news team for the most
certain and late breaking news on this storm.